Welcome guys, another tutorial from Classic Games United, right? I did a video on this today, but YouTube just deleted the video, and this video is for educational purposes. This video is not about piracy. This video is how to play the Call of Duty. This video is how to play Call of Duty Ghosts for free in 2025, right? Because this game is a 12-year-old game. This game came out in 2013, and it's a very old game, and these videos are for educational purposes. So YouTube, do not be a fool again and take down my video, right? So this video is a request for a friend, and his name will be on the screen, and he requested this video. All right, so I have gotten a copy of the game, and if you want to change your name, guys, you'll just click on name and let's name it like, alright, you'll press the tile key under the escape key. If you go to online play, you'll see it back to John. Alright, I will trim up my name too. And you see the name change back. Also I'll be doing some videos on how to get mods for this game, but when we're back, guys, when I'm back, I will show you all how to play for free, right? Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do is to type in router.info, and then you will search for the repack of Connect 77. Alright, you just go to here, torrent download, qubit torrent, and you will download qubit torrent, right? Once you download qubit torrent, now you will click on this where you see the arrow, click on it, and you will just open up the game, and you will just download the game. Alright, you will just download the game and install the game with everything. Do not untick anything. Anything. So this was how you download the game. Alright, I already have the game downloaded. Once you download the game, this will be the you will have a file called Altware launcher. What you will do is run your launcher as administrator. Alright, and then you will click on the launcher, and then it will update. Alright, you will have to let the launcher update first. Once you click on the launcher, run it as administrator twice, and the launcher will update the files for the game, and you will be able to play multiplayer. So that's how you play for free, right guys? I will be able to show you all the steps, but just run Altware launcher, let the launcher update the game files, wait till it's finished, and a window like this will pop up, and you will be able to play online. Alright, it's that simple. It's not that hard to play. It's very simple to play online, guys. So I'm just gonna go back into the game and play a little game, and then we'll end the tutorial for today, right? This is just a short simple tutorial showing you how to play the game for free, and this video is for educational purposes, so YouTube don't be an asshole and delete my video again. Alright, because I made the tutorial for this video and YouTube deleted the video. I'll be back, guys. Alright guys, unlike other Call of Duty games, Ghosts have a lot of modes. Like I have the normal online mode, and then you have squad, and then you have a mode called Alien Extinction, which is a pretty fun mode. Alright, and I've never seen a Call of Duty game with such mode like the Extinction and these modes. Pretty fun, you understand? So we have some players here Go join the server. Alright, so we're just gonna play a little bit, guys, and then we'll end the video for today. So it's simple and easy, or you will play online. Alright, if you need help, you could join my Discord server. So I'll be back, guys, once I'm in the game.
Let's win this one! Time's almost up!
keep your eyes peeled. I don't think we're alone. I don't know how much more of this I can take. I'm activating the drill. Cover me. They're attacking the drill!
Alright guys, there you go. As you see, the game is working. Play through all emotes from multiplayer to squad battle to extinction. The game is working great. So this is how you play the game. Quality goes for free in 2025. If you need help, join my Discord server, and I will see you guys in next video. Take care and bye.
reminding us that even the smallest rock can have a hand at sculpting worlds.